Hey guys, wanted to take just a minute to show off my GE 20.3 cubic foot freezer. It's about 6.5 foot tall. Got the measurements and all the details in the ad, but of course I always do a video just to show everything's working perfectly. That way you know, you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell and list my items here for sale. So I'm gonna show you real quick with my temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's taking a surface temperature measurement. It's about 61 Fahrenheit on the outside. So we're going to open it up, shoot the temperature, and I've got some frozen water bottles now and some ice. I put some ice in a bucket, that way you can see everything's good to go. So we'll shoot that right in here. You can see it's about -7 right when we open the door. And the longer I stand here with this door open, that temp will go up since this thing is empty. But you can see we got ice here, frozen water bottles down here, and then the inside's nice and bright and clean. Go through and very thoroughly clean these guys, sanitize them of course before you pick them up, so everything's good to go. And the seal's good. I mean, this freezer is in excellent shape and ready to rock. So we'll go ahead and get it listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching my video.